In the southwestern part of Sweden, stretching across the provinces of Västergötland, Dalsland, and Värmland, lies Lake Vänern. Covering roughly 5,650 square kilometers in total surface area, Lake Vänern is the largest lake in Sweden, largest in the European Union, and the third largest lake in Europe after Lake Ladoga and Lake Onega in Russia. The lake is located at an elevation of 44 meters above sea level, and has a maximum depth of around 106 meters, with an average depth of nearly 27 meters. The lake can be divided into two basins. The larger east basin is called Värmlandsjön, and the smaller west basin of the lake is called Dalbosjön. The Göta Canal connects Lake Vernern with Lake Vättern, the second largest lake in Sweden. The lake has a coastline of roughly 4,800 kilometers, and there are roughly 22,000 islands, islets, and boulders situated within the lake. The largest island is Torso, with an area of roughly 62 square kilometers. Lake Vänern was formed roughly 10,000 years ago, at the end of the last ice age. During the last ice age, the Scandinavian ice sheet covered much of northern Europe, including Sweden. As these glaciers moved, they carved out deep valleys and basins in the bedrock. When the ice sheets began to melt around 10,000 to 12,000 years ago, they left behind large depressions in the landscape, which were filled with meltwater, forming lakes. Lake Vänern occupies one of these glacially carved basins.